friends, let's start.
Dear all friends, in my opinion, this topic is related to marriage system in our society as well as in our nation. As we all know, every coin has two sides. Similarly, both types of marriage have their own merits and demerits. In my opinion, I prefer love marriage because it is economical as compared to arranged marriage, and it also kills some social evils like dowry system, sati pratha, and untouchability and casteism.
Yes, with you. Every coin has two sides. So both marriage have positive and negative aspect. I prefer to arrange marriage. Arrange marriage have an example of greatest culture and it promotes the joint family which shows unity in diversity.
Guys, fish marketing should not be done. Please, fish marketing should not be done.
The decision of marriage is taken by the consent of all and it shows the respect of our elder.
Guys, please.
Love marriage is good.
Okay, fish marketing should not be done one by one.
Love marriage is good because it is economical as compared to arranged marriage. And love marriage promotes nuclear family which shows the best way for maintain lifestyle. And it also reduce some social evils like dowry system, sati system, and child marriage and casteism and untouchability.
Yes,
And also love marriage promotes gender equality and sex ratio.
Yes, friend, I agree with you. Arranged marriage is the greatest example of Indian culture. Arranged marriage develops joint family which shows unity in diversity.
Continue.
Yes.
Continue.
Understanding is good in arranged marriage are less because arranged marriage due to joint family. The chances of divorces in arranged marriage are less because the decision of marriage is taken by the consent of all and it shows unity in diversity.
Okay, so would you like to add something else?
Yes, dear friends, I am totally agree with you. Love marriage is much better than arranged marriage because in love marriage you can know about your life partner's likes, dislikes, interests, and most important things, secrets, which are known to you and which is not possible in the arranged marriage. And also, love marriage is mainly based upon love and a strong attachment. So adjustment can be done easily in love marriage.
Yes, would you, no, you are not allowed. Would you like to add something
Yes,
else?
friends, I am totally agree with you. I would like to prefer arranged marriage because in this system, child caretaking is good due to joint family and also friends. In this system, chance of divorce is less because decision of marriage taken by consent of all
Sit properly.
and also shows respect for our elders.
Yes, would you like to add something else?
Yes, I would prefer like to arrange system, arrange marriage because it is all decision to all consent by all because it is chance to all joint family.
Yes, would you like to add something
Yes,
else?
friend, I totally agree with you. But every coin has two sides. So both marriages have their merits and demerits. I prefer to love marriage. Love marriage is good because it is economical as compared to arranged marriage. And love marriage is promote the nuclear family because which is the way of maintaining lifestyle.
Yes, both of you.
Yes, and I agree with you. I would like to prefer arranged marriage to love marriage because the chances of divorce is in arranged marriage is very less because the decision of arranged marriage is taken by the consent of all.
Yes, friend, I agree with you. I prefer to love marriage. Love marriage is good because love marriage is economical as compared to arranged marriage. Love marriage produce joint family because it is the better way of maintaining lifestyle.
Yes, friend, I agree with you. Love marriage reduces some social evils like dowry system, sati system, child marriage, and untouchability, and also it promotes sex issue and the gender equality. And it
Okay, these 5 guys are allowed.
So there are some demerit and merit, both types of marriage. Sir, in my opinion, love marriage is better than arranged marriage because love marriage makes a nuclear family, which is the better way of maintaining lifestyle.
Dear friends, in my opinion, love marriage is better than arranged marriage because love marriage reduce some social evils like a sati system, dowry system, casteism, and untouchability.
Dear friends, in my opinion,
As we know that the chances of divorce in love marriage is less due to the marriage is consent by the all and it will also show the respect for our
dear friends, I agree with you, but I would like to prefer arranged marriage because arranged marriage is the greatest example of Indian culture, and arranged marriage also develops the joint family which show unity in diversity.
Yes, would you like to add something else?
Yes, friend, I totally agree agree with you. Love marriage is good because it is economical compared to arranged marriage. Arranged marriage is greatest example of Indian culture. Love marriage.
Okay, guys, so stop. Okay.